Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Now in today's tutorial I will be showing you how you can create this flyer using Canva. Now let's get right into it. Now I'm just going to create a new page, and in Canva, once you create a new page, it is going to automatically give you the color of the previous page. Now the first thing that I did was went to elements and I searched for frame. And you're going to scroll down until you find phone, or you can just search for phone yourself in the search bar. And I think I used this one. No, I'm going to use this one. Okay. And I am just going to zoom this up. I'm just going to enlarge this a bit, and I am going to position it. And you can just rotate it however you feel comfortable. Let me look. I think I wrote it. And I think I am comfortable with this position. Now I am going to go to uploads. I actually got these images from Pinterest. So yeah, you can use images from Pinterest if you want, once you're not using them for commercial purposes, or you can use actual images of your clients if they give you that permission. So I actually got some images from Pinterest for the purpose of this tutorial. And I am just going to select the image and drag it inside the frame. Now if you want to adjust your image, all you have to do is double click on the image, and just like that you can move it inside the frame, and I am comfortable with that. Now I'm going to change some of the colors on the phones. I'm just going to change some of them to white. Okay, and I am comfortable with this. I'm just going to lock it for the time being so I don't move it by accident. Now let's add some text. So you can just select T on your keyboard and a text box will appear, or you can go to text on your left side of the panel, and Canva basically gives you some combination of fonts that they think looks good together. You can use them, that's up to you, or you can do your own thing. So I'm just going to type tag us. And I'm actually going to change the font. The font that I used for this was Twister. And I'm just going to zoom in on it. So I'm just going to go above and just check the size that I had this in, and it's saying 220. Let me see. Okay, perfect. I'm just going to bring this down some more. And what I am going to do is add a shadow. So just go to effects and select shadows, and you can play around with the settings on to define something that you like. So I'm just going to turn the transparency down a bit, increase the blur so it's not as harsh, and I am going to reduce the offset, and I think that is good enough. And I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to add another text that says girl boss, and I am going to change this to white. And I am going to add another effect on this. I'm not going to add a shadow. Instead, I am going to add this lift effect, and I am going to increase the intensity. Perfect. And I'm going to position it behind the tag us text. Perfect. If I can. Let me bring it down somewhere, or it's fine. Okay. I'm going to select T on my keyboard again for a text box, and I'm going to just type "We love selfies." and I'm just going to reduce this so it can fit beneath this, and I'm just going to scroll up to see if this size is right. So that's a 70.4, sorry. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to check if I add any effects to it. I don't remember adding any effects. Okay, so we had no effects. And what I am going to do now is I am going to go to elements and I am going to search for likes. That's how I got the icon. Now, one thing with this is actually a pro feature in Canva. So if you don't have the pro version, unfortunately you would not get to choose this specific one, but you can choose others like this one, or browse through the options. So yes, this is actually a pro element. I did not realize that. My apologies. I try to make my tutorials Canva free as possible, and I'm just going to rotate that and size it down a bit. Oh, it's actually larger. So okay, I'm just going to group my text, and to group the elements in Canva, you just highlight everything. So you left click and drag over the elements and select group, and I'm just going to pull these down some more, and I'm going to enlarge this. Like that, and I'm going to change the color to black, and I'm going to change the white to the pink background. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to go to elements and get some social media icons such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Let me just check which icon I actually use. Okay. Facebook. Use this one. Twitter. TikTok. And I'm just going to pull them down. And I'm just going to change the color of the Facebook and Instagram to black so it matches the theme. Perfect. And I'm just going to tidy these up. And I'm also going to group them. And I'm just going to add your ad. So you add your social media handle. And I'm going to resize this, and it's thick, so I'm just going to remove the bold. So you click on it and go to the bold icon right here, and that should do the trick. Resize this, and I'm going to add some space between the letters. To add space between your letters, just click on your letters, go to the space icon right here, and select the spacing that you want. So this going right increases the space, whereas going left decreases the space. Alright, so yeah, so I think this is okay. And this is how you can create this August flyer for your business using Canva. I hope you guys found this helpful. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.